Welcome to Jett Auction. If you're new here, this video is your guide to getting started. We'll cover everything from how to register and bid, to how our fees work and what happens after you win. Think of this as your first-timer's orientation. First things first, Jett Auction is a consignment auction house. This means we don't own the vehicles we sell. They come from various sellers, and we act as the marketplace. Because of this, we don't test, repair, or guarantee them. So, before you even think about bidding, please head over to our website and read our full terms, fees, and arbitration guidelines. It's crucial you understand how we operate. We have locations in Parksville and Duncan. You can come and view the vehicles on Thursday and Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Saturday, viewing is from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. before the auction kicks off. Our offices are open Tuesday through Friday from 9:30 to 5, and Saturdays until 3. We're closed on Sundays and Mondays. Ready to bid? The best way to start is by registering online at jettauction.com. It's quick, easy, and saves you a good 10 to 15 minutes at the counter. You'll need to register for each Saturday auction you want to participate in. Just provide your name, contact info, birth date, full address, and a valid credit card to secure your account. Registering online also lets you bid from anywhere and makes it faster to get your in-person bidder paddle if you decide to join us on site. Let's talk money. When you buy a vehicle, there are a few costs to be aware of. The buyer's premium is on a sliding scale, from $145 up to $500. For vehicles over $8,000, it's a flat 7.5%. Every vehicle also has a $95 vehicle history report fee. If you win online, there's a small online fee of $25 or $50, depending on the price. And if you pay with a credit card, there's a 2% merchant fee. Now, here's some good news about taxes. We collect tax on the final auction price, which can often save you money compared to a private sale. In a private deal, you might get taxed on a higher book value even if you paid less. With us, you're taxed on the actual price you paid. For many buyers, this means a lower total tax bill. Before you bid, do your homework. Come walk the lot during viewing hours. Read the vehicles online listing thoroughly, including the Carfax report. If a vehicle has passed a mechanical safety inspection, we'll state it clearly in the listing. If it doesn't say that, then by law, we have to consider it not suitable for transportation, and you'll need to sign a not roadworthy release form. Remember, we are not mechanics. It's your responsibility to inspect the vehicle yourself or have someone do it for you. Look for our What's a Tow unit video for more details on this. When the auction starts, you can bid in person with your paddle or online through your account. The auctioneer sets the pace. If you're the highest bidder when they yell sold, congratulations, the vehicle is yours. A quick but important note, you are responsible for any bids made from your account. My dog did it won't work here. All bids are final and legally binding. Some vehicles have a reserve price, which is the minimum the seller will accept. We don't share this price, but if bidding doesn't meet the reserve, we'll try to negotiate a deal between the high bidder and the seller afterward. So, keep an eye on your email and your phone. If you're the winning bidder, a deposit is due on Saturday, and the full payment must be made by Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. You can pay by e-transfer, debit, bank draft, cash, or credit card. Please note, late payments will incur a $250 fee per vehicle, no exceptions. Once paid, you need to pick up your vehicle by Tuesday at 5 p.m. If you're not picking it up yourself, you must complete an authorization form and pay a small administrative fee. Vehicles left behind will be charged daily storage fees, which increase after the first week. A quick word on tow-only vehicles. This is a legal term for vehicles without a past safety inspection. It doesn't automatically mean something is wrong with it. After you buy it, we'll move it to the street, and from that point, it's your vehicle and your decision how to move it. What if there's a major issue? We have a limited arbitration policy, but it's not for buyer's remorse. It generally applies only to inspected vehicles sold for over $5,000 with under 200,000 kilometers, and only for serious, undisclosed defects. You must file a claim with a mechanic's report by Tuesday. Please read the full guidelines on our website to see if you qualify. To wrap up, do your research, Inspect the vehicles, understand all the fees, and remember that your bid is a binding contract. Pay and pick up on time. This video is just an overview. Your rights and responsibilities are all laid out in the official documents on jettauction.com. If you have any questions, email is the fastest way to reach us at info@jettauction.com. Thanks for watching. We're excited to see you at the auction. Do we want forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and to see our upcoming inventory. Happy bidding!